I'm out on the front porch doing a little front porch portable today. Putting a little bit of a test to an item that I actually designed from inspiration from another piece from Thingiverse, from Ham Radio Dude, who found part of it through another remix. This is actually going to be the Balun connection or Balun mount for the LD6 from HRD Industries. I've actually got it set up on the LD6 right now. I'm actually running the FT891. I'll go ahead and flip this around here real quick. All right, there's the 891. Let's go ahead and take a walk over to the LD6 so you guys can take a look at this. So here's the mount that I'm talking about. This is a 9-to-1 Balun, and then I've got the LD6 on the spike, and then all the way up I've got 18 gauge wire going all the way to the very tip up there, and that's 17.5 feet. So for anyone who follows Salty Walt, that's actually his 17.5. He uses a 4-to-1. I've got a 9-to-1 on it, and it's actually tuning up really well. We'll go ahead and bring the tuner up here. All right, shaky cam today. I don't have my tripod. I don't have anything else out here. This is just me coming out to the front porch and playing around on radio. So we're on 14.310. I'm going to switch this over to CW. 1.73 to 1 is where it's sitting currently. And again, that's on a 9-to-1 Balun, running 50 watts. Let's try different bands here. Oops. We'll do 40 meter. And 2.05 to 1. Could be a little bit better. We've got a 4-to-1 on the way, so that one will be one to test. Let's try 30 meter. Nope, it will not do 30 meter. How about 17? We gotta get switched over to CW. 1.86 to 1. Let's go to 15. $1.94 to 1. 12 meters. $1.36 to 1. That's actually surprising. And let's go to 10 meters. 1.97 to 1. Well, while we're here, let's see what 6 meters looks like. $1.59 to 1. gonna switch that over to CW and give her a little more push. Well, the tuner didn't like that one. The N-Tuner AT100M Pro is not made for 6 meters. Don't use it that way. Haha, there's a problem. So let's go over to 20. Let's switch back over to sideband and let's find somebody. CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India. November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, calling CQ20. CQ, 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 CQ20, CQ20, November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India. November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, calling CQ20. CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India. November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, calling CQ20. CQ, CQ, CQ20, 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 November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, calling CQ20. Gorgeous night to be out here, though. CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, calling CQ20. Even if we don't get a call in, if we don't get a contact, then I still got to sit out on the front porch and play radio.
Bravo 9, Uniform Zulu Oscar, 10-4, PFP. Right in my noise, 5 and 5, okay? Uniform Zulu Oscar. 73, my friend, look pretty damn long. Kilo Mike 4, Papa Oscar, Papa Con, CQ20, listing 14320.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India.
Near ending and Quebec. Washington to the state, something kilo 6, maybe, again. Kilo 6, Yankee, Uniform, Quebec, Washington State. You're 5657, made lots of noise, over. search. Kilo, Mike, 4, Papa, Oscar, Papa, KM4, PMP. Roger, roger. Your report is 5 and 5. I'm near Naples, east of Naples, Florida, correct? Right, my noise is very loud tonight, sir. I'll say 73, okay? Thank you for Washington State. Kilo Mike 4, Papa Oscar, Papa Kashiki, 20 meters in listing.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India.
November 0.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India. Variable frequency interference.
Lots of noise for some reason, lots of noise. November 0, Victor Fox, again.
Victor, Foxtrot, India, Indigo, Indiana.
Victor Fox, again. Right on noise.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, Indiana, Indigo.
Kilo Mike 4, Papa Oscar, Papa Kashiki, 20 meters in listing. Get 20 meters, you tell me the phone. Kilo Mike 4, Papa Oscar, Papa, let's see, 20 meter phone.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India.
Get 20, Kilo Mike 4, Papa Oscar, Papa, listening.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India.
November 0, Victor Foxtrot, again.
November 0, Victor, Foxtrot, India, Indigo, Indiana.
Is this the last letter? Is this Sierra over?
Indiana, Indigo, India.
Victor Papa, India, is that correct?
Victor, Foxtrot, India, Foxtrot, India.
November 0, Victor Fox, India, roger, roger.
Roger, roger. I've got you a 5757 into Mike November.
Just a copy, Mike November. The band is very noisy. Excuse me. You're 5657 into Florida, near Naples, over.
Copy the 5657. I'll give you also a 5757 into Mike November.
Copy, Mike November, 57 Mike November, 57 Florida,
The band's changing on us. I'll say 7 threes.
Just spared the noise. Thank you so much. Look for it down log. Kilo Mike 4, Papa Oscar, Papa, listening to me your phone.
All right. It is starting to slightly sprinkle. I've felt a couple, so we're going to go ahead and call it there. Just wanted to go ahead and show this one last real quick time. Let's take a trek over to the antenna. Ooh, foot's asleep. That's fun. Don't sit on your foot when you're on a bench. All right. LD6. 9-to-1 Balun right there. And just 18 gauge wire all the way up. There we go. All right, like I said, I'm felt a couple quick sprinkles here, so we're going to go ahead and let this go for now, and we'll say 7 threes. Thank you for taking a look. it's just something fun to get out on the front porch and play. And thanks for watching. If you found something interesting, feel free to subscribe, leave me a comment. Come along for the ride. We'll be here. I'm gonna try to post about every week, so hopefully we'll get some more stuff out on the channel here soon. 7 3s for now.